Eagles, welcome back to another episode of Student Org Source, your quick guide to all things student orgs. Today, I'm here with Student Org Leader Jaylene, President of Collar Scholars, a registered student organization on campus.
Hey Eagles, I hope you're ready for some exciting updates for the spring 2026 semester.
You know, Jaylene, the semester is already moving fast with spring break just around the corner and plus events like University Day and graduation on the horizon. That's why we're here to make sure you have everything you need to stay connected, involved, and make the most of your spring semester.
In today's episode, you'll receive updates regarding tabling opportunities, student org leader development, and so much more. The details we're sharing will help you stay informed, prepared, and make the most out of your organization's opportunities this semester.
Don't forget to watch the full video to ensure you aren't missing any important information and share this video with your peers. Let's tap in with student activities to learn what amazing events and opportunities are coming your way this semester.
Is your organization making a major impact on campus? Do you know a student leader who consistently goes above and beyond for their organization? Here's your chance to shine. EAGLE Awards serves as the university's highest platform for recognizing student organizations and their members in excellence in service, leadership, spirit, and campus impact. Are you a student who has been a leader in campus life, student org, athletics, research, activism, mentorship, and more? Apply to the Golden Eagle Awards, the most prestigious award UNT bestows among student leaders. Visit the Eagle Award webpage for more details related to nomination categories, eligibility, submission criteria, application links, and more. Applications are open through March 29th, so don't miss your chance to spotlight your organization, president, advisor, and more for the roles they play in helping our campus community. For Student Org Awards, you may nominate your organization to get recognized. For individual awards, excluding Golden Eagle, you must be nominated by someone else. We can't wait to celebrate you. Eagle Awards is about excellence, impact, and most importantly, you. Let's kick this celebration off the right way. Go Mean Green.
Are you a part of an organization looking for volunteer opportunities for your members? Well, this one's for you. The Student Organization Volunteer Listserv is now open for signups. By completing a quick form, you'll receive information about different volunteer opportunities aligning with different interests, groups, and causes. You'll also receive regular updates throughout the semester on those events. You can find the Spring 2026 Student Org Volunteer Listserv sign-up form in OrgSafe.
Hey, Mean Green leaders, welcome back. I am here with two representatives from our Student Org of the Month, Alpha Phi. First, let's begin by introducing our guests and congratulating them on their recent accomplishment.
Hi y'all, my name is Peyton. I am chapter president of Alpha Phi.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia. I'm the VP of Health, Wellness, and Accountability at Alpha Phi.
Hi Mia, hi Peyton. Thank you so much for joining us today. Can you start a little bit by telling us a little bit about your organization and the initiative you all put on last week so that way you all were able to receive this recognition?
Yeah, sure. So we are Alpha Phi. We are a sorority on campus, part of the Panhellenic community. We're amongst one of the 8 sororities on campus. And last week we hosted our Go Red Week, which supports our philanthropy, which is the Alpha Phi Foundation, and that supports women's cardiac health and research.
Okay, nice, lovely.
Yes, this past week we actually held our Grad Week, which is something we do every single year, but we definitely added in some new events, such as we had workout classes on Wednesday. We had an instructor come in and she was able to focus on heart rate and just how to monitor that way working out. And then we also ended the week off with our big Heartthrob event, which was really fun. People were able to come over and share their own stories about cardiac health and just share awareness and education about it.
That sounds lovely and amazing. So I just want to know what inspired you and your organization to put on these events?
Yeah, so Mia here, she really was the highlight of the whole week. She did a lot of the work. I would say that, I can't take credit at all. This girl right here, she's truly amazing, so I'll let her explain more in detail.
Yeah, so obviously we throw these events every year, but especially this year we wanted to add something new and fun and just do something. We always try to top ourselves from the year before. And so with this Heartthrob event especially, so much planning went into it. We were trying to do it last semester, but we decided why not put it in our philanthropy week and just have it be our big end off. Mm-hmm. And so it was really special to plan it all. And obviously our goal is to always spread awareness and education about women's cardiac research and health. So that was a big thing for us.
Okay. So within that cardiac, and then last week you all hosted a lot of events. What was the highlight or most memorable moment, not only for you, me and Peyton, but also just your organization as a whole?
Sure, I would say just the amount of organizations that participated was just really just a big thing for us as a whole. We never have had that many orgs participate before, especially orgs outside of Greek life, which is really just a huge impact and just shows like, wow, like we really are like spreading our awareness to our chapter. We really are trying to be friends with other people outside of the Greek community. And so just our chapter, just seeing how we have so many different orgs participating was a really big thing for all of us.
That sounds amazing, especially here at UNT. We definitely want our orgs to collaborate and reach out to each other. So with that, what would you say was, how do you feel like that impacted the UNT campus as a whole?
Sure, I would say just tying back, it just really showed how we are a part of the Greek community, but we're still all students here at UNT. We can all still be great friends at UNT. It's not just like, oh, you're in a sorority, like we can't really hang out, we can't communicate together, but just showing the campus, like, you know, we're all here to be students. We're all here to like make friends, make connections while we're here, because you know we're not in college forever, right? And hopefully not. And so just showing that we're all together and we're all in this together. So
absolutely, we all are in this together. And so of course, everybody wants to now be a part of Student Org of the Month if they want to win. So what advice do you all have, being the most recent winner? What advice do you all have for those that are trying to be in you all's position?
Yeah, sure. So I'll go first and I'll hand it to Mia. My advice would be to just connect, talk to others. Fun fact, we actually didn't know about Org of the Month until last week, our events during Spot of Fee. I was at Starbucks, and Armando, our student body president, he came up to me and was like, hey, like, you're an Alpha Phi, right? And I was like, yeah, sure. And he was like, you should apply for Org of the Month. It's a great opportunity, and that's my first time meeting him. And so just really just opening to everyone and just being willing to talk to anyone that comes up to you, just being receptive to what they're gonna say to you and what they might offer you, so yeah.
I think my biggest advice for sure is to utilize your campus resources. Whenever planning Heartthrob, I had a lot of trouble. I didn't really know where to start, but I actually went to UNT Event Consultant Services, and it was so helpful. They definitely helped me plan the best event I possibly could, and I definitely think that's what put us in the spotlight to be able to get this sort of award, so I'm very grateful.
Y'all hear that? Sign up for those event consultations, okay? And so lastly, shameless plug for you all. What are you all excited about, and what upcoming events do you have coming up for the rest of this spring semester?
I'll go ahead and answer this.
Okay.
Obviously, we want to throw more philanthropy events throughout the semester, but definitely be on the lookout for our fall semester, because every year we host a Red Dress Gala. This past year we called it Red Dress Rodeo, and so just to have that Texas twist on it, but it's a big philanthropy event we always throw every year, and so just be on the lookout whenever you get those tickets out.
All right, thank you so much, me and Peyton, for joining us. Leaders, again, if you want, please make sure to fill out your Student Org of the Month applications. The deadline is the 15th of every month. Again, that's the 15th of every month. And if you want to be in this spotlight here, just fill out that application. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day. Go Mean Green.
Hey y'all, I'm Daria, a Campus Life Ambassador with Student Activities. We know many of you are already dreaming of big events for the spring semester, but don't worry, you don't have to figure it out alone. Don't forget, our office offers event consultations to help your organization plan, prepare, and make your vision come to life. It's one of the best ways to set your student org up for success. Our event consultations help ensure your events are impactful, so impactful that your organization could be even recognized as Student Org of the Month. We can't wait to see all of the amazing events your organization hosts, and as always, go Mean Green!
Guess what, student orgs? S.O.L.D is leveling up. Our Student Org Leadership Development Workshops are now on demand. That's right, you choose the date, time, and location, and Student Activities will bring the whole leadership development directly to your organization. This semester, we're going to have a wide range of workshops, including collaboration, communication, marketing, balance, leadership with friends, and summer planning. These sessions are going to be interactive, tailored to your organization, and most importantly, energy-filled. So submit your request 2 weeks in advance, and we'll deliver the full S.O.L.D workshop experience at your convenience.
Hey y'all! We hope this month's episode of Student Org Source helped prepare you for upcoming events, deadlines, and opportunities available to your student organizations. As we close out today's episode, here are a few important reminders you'll want to mark on your calendars. The 2025 through 2026 Returning Student Organization Registration deadline is April 17th. All student organizations that were registered in 2024 through 2025 but haven't registered this school year must complete your registration to remain active. Student orgs that do not will be dissolved, meaning you'll have to apply as a new student org if you want to come back in the future.
If your organization checked out student org lockers this year, don't forget to return your locker key between April 13th and May 1st to avoid any issues or fees.
Don't miss the Eagle Awards ceremony taking place on April 20th. This will be a night of celebration, recognition, and excellence. It's dressed to impress, so come ready to show out.
What's your status? Talents Up is UNT's student organization point system with success tiers bronze 10 points, silver 50 points, gold 150 points, and platinum 250 points. Want to check your organization points? Call Student Activities or stop by our office in the University Union. In addition, remember to consistently check your UNT student email, monitor OrgSync, and visit the Student Activities website to stay up to date on policies, resources, and opportunities.
Thank you for tuning into this month's episode of Student Org Source. We appreciate everything you do to build community, leadership, and engagement across campus.
As always, stay involved, stay informed, and
Go Mean Green!